It is the petrol variant, so it's a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine, and it is the all. And as you can see, even though it is the camera's locked onto those lanes, and it is active around 9 to 11 depending on how heavy the traffic is. But not knowing the reviews on the aircon, because we do live in Perth, so get very hot and dry summers, so lights are on, but sort of in the door tram, monitoring the tyres. So spending the day with one, I was like, wow, okay, let's give this a shot. So yeah, after having a look around the Kias, Hyundais, the Mahindras, even other brands, looking at like Skodas and stuff, we eventually went to a Haval dealership. Originally we were looking at, as you can tell as well, the vehicle is really silent. So I might just stop the record, I might just show you guys this 360-degree camera. As I can see, it even tells you the distance you are away from the item. And if you get too close, if you get within about 50 centimeters, it goes to this top-down view, like that 360-degree camera. And it is really smooth, like there's pretty much no lag. And then you've also got curve views, so that's your rear wheels, your front wheels as well, and it keeps your trajectory on the left side. And that's also